Okay, hi guys,
Discover
say hi so I know you're here.
And new music videos every Friday on YouTube Music's release playlist.
Writes down. Okay, good. We got some good vibes going. Hi, Joe Peasy. All right, so I'm going to go ahead because I know a lot of people. I'm good. Thank you so much for joining. I'm doing a 30-day challenge. It's called 30 Days of Me, a boot camp for all of everyone to connect and join, okay? And so I want to start by just saying that I went hard in my fitness. Hey, Ed. I went hard in my fitness probably about a couple of months ago, okay? You know, there's so much going on with this COVID and just with people leaving here, you know, and one of the main things they talk about is our health and those who already have previous health conditions. Okay, so that just let me know how important it is for me to be intentional about my health. I think that's good. All right. And so about a year ago, I connected with a company that I watched for about 2 years. The amazing Coach Stormy is so inspiring. She inspired me. And so I've been selling the product. I love it. And for the last 2 months, I can say I definitely have gone extra hard and been extra diligent about my own self-care. So the funny thing, my mental, emotional strength has definitely improved. But not only that, you guys, I started to see some results. Okay? And so I had so many people messaging me, asking me like, what are you doing? You know, things like that. So I took my 30 Days of Me challenge that I did for myself, and I've extended it as part of Southern Girl Speaks, my platform to encourage transformation. Okay, and there's something about working out. It's something about being intentional about your health and taking care of yourself. It just is even more self-love for yourself. Okay, we spend so much time taking care of everyone else, and it's hard sometimes to shift that focus and the love we give to everyone else that we're needing from them. Sometimes we have to give that to ourselves, and to do it without guilt. Okay, so I've just been preparing myself for the next 30 days because we have October, November, December. Okay, these last 2 years have been filled with so much turmoil and calamity. Okay, there's a sense of peace, there's a sense of normality, but there's still kind of things going on in every hand. So we have to be intentional about creating our own happiness. About to take a drink. And we have to be intentional about creating our own peace, because at the end of the day, we're here for a reason, but we're only here for a season. So the more we can be intentional about our health and taking care of ourselves, you guys, that is a new purpose, and part of my mission as well is to talk about health and wellness. And so I just want to be the example. So I'm so excited. On Tuesdays, I'm going to have people come on. They're going to share their story of transformation. Through this 30 days, we're going to have people come on, talk about emotional eating, talk about how your self-love or poor self-image can affect even your finances. Okay, so we're going to have credit and money management. So someone's going to come teach us how to make healthy smoothies, food tips. And those of you who say, yes, I'm joining the challenge, all you got to do is send me your email. Going to add you to our group chat. It's going to be private, where we can text each other, motivate each other. I worked out today, send pictures, so those people in the groups, they can see it, and it'll help build momentum and discipline for other people who might need that support. And as well, just another way to connect and motivate and be with other people with the same mindset, okay? We're going to take before and after pictures, and we're also going to come together for a meet and greet just to connect and share our transformation and celebrate. All right, so I just wanted to come tell you, you don't have to purchase anything, but if you want to connect with me, I do have detox tea. This fruit punch is amazing. You just take a pack, you guys, you drop it in your water bottle at night or in the morning. You're going to have a clean flush. I recommend at least 5 of these. So if you want to join the challenge, you want a week's supply, it's going to clean you out. You won't have to stay at home or anything like that. But colon cancer, you guys, is one of the #1 cancer, especially in men and especially in black men. So you guys, you need this too. Every time I try to give a black man a pack, he be like, no, I don't need it. And I'm like, oh, Dios míos, okay? So it's important, you, especially you people who drink, smoke, you got your little habit, you might need your little detox every now and then. All right, I mean, it'll balance out the bad habits. I'm just saying, if you are over 40, if you're over 35, you definitely need you some Alleviate cream. This cream, you guys, it definitely is going to help you burn fats for men and women in the stomach area. You're trying to lose weight. You could put it under your neck, you know, keep that nice and firm, you know what I'm saying? On your arms, any underarm. If you have headaches, you can rub this on your temples. It does have a CBD extract. And also, if you just need a good massage or good night's sleep, just rub it around your neck. You go straight to sleep. I'm telling you, it works. All right. And so even as I have my waist trainer on now, I can feel my stomach burning up under here. We also have, guys, on the go, NutriBurst, okay? This is your immunity in a pack. You just take a little sip on the go. 1 teaspoon is equivalent to 10 salads. So you all that are not getting your vegetables or your daily recommended amount, you're on the go. If you need extra energy, pop one of those during a workout or about 2 o'clock. It'll keep you going during the day. And once people take NutriBurst, they cannot live without it. That's all I can say. And we do have raspberry tea, and I do have regular tea as well. If you need some liquid lipo in a bottle, got your resolution drops here, you guys. So I love it. All you do is just take a little sachet, drop it in your water, drink it at night. You're good to go. Get your 30 minutes in. Connect with me, Southern Girl Speaks. 30 days of me. And we're going to have a little assignment every day, okay, to help us focus and reflect and to build ourselves for the next 30 days. So it's going to be on IG. So I'm going to drop the links here. I'll be promoting. But send me your email, okay? Just send me a DM. Say, hey, I want to join the challenge, okay? All right. This is Southern Girls. I have spoken, and I am out here. Bye, guys.